this is what comes in a box. A pump, hose is 25 foot long, and sprayer. And this is for car wash. You can plug it in your cigarette lighter, and you can wash your car and attach it to the garden hose. And this is the power supply. You plug it into it with switch, and this side was plugged in the cigarette lights, but I cut it because I cut terminals to plug it in my D-volt battery right there. And this is cost me around $30 some. And second package, the hose with the sprinkler heads, right? This sprinkler head are adjustable, and they come in a package of 10 of them. Sprinkler head, they just connected together. 2 adapters for the garden hose, and that's it. 10 of this and 50 foot long hose was just $8.